Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to the channel of the Italian Guy. For those of you who still do not know my name is Giuseppe and my channel deals about traveling. I literally adore traveling and ketogenic way of eating. I don't like using the word diet because I believe ketogenic is a way of eating until the end. Today I have a nice recipe for you, almond butter bread. The back taste is slightly sweet, but it's good. Follow me in the preparation of the recipe. So we need 200 grams of almond butter. Be sure that there are no sugars added. Pay attention to the label. So we use pure almond butter with no sugar. 4 egg yolks. You have to beat just lightly the egg yolks inside the butter. 4 egg white. Did you notice I use some lemon? Because if you put some lemon drops in the egg white, it will form stiff peaks very quickly. The video is not cut. I also speeded it up a little bit, but as you can see, almost immediately it became it formed stiff peaks. Okay, so now we mix the two, and we are going to add the key ingredient: 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, or you can use the normal vinegar. This to make the chemical reaction to produce carbon dioxide that make the dough to not to rise, this is not correct, but to inflate, so to say. A quick mix with the electric mixer, so we combine everything together. 4 pinches of salt, 1 for each egg. That's a trick. For each egg you put, you have to add a pinch of salt. So the final product will not result salty, but normally salty, so to say, the right amount of salt. Let's keep giving another mix. So we allow the salt to melt inside the butter. And then we put it in the plum cake container. Disposable plum cake container, or if you have the tin, the loaf bread tin. Those are the measurements: 12 centimeters the length, 6 centimeters in height, and 23 length, 6 centimeter height, and 12 as a width. Okay, let's spread the butter evenly in the mold. Now we are going. This is the final result. I used 320 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 minutes. Always make a test with the toothpick and look at the bubbles inside, and that's it. So here we are. This is our bread. With a light sweet back taste, but it was covered by the pinches of salt that we put during the preparation of the recipe, and I have to say that it's really good, delicious, scrumptious, soft. I really like it, but there are 19 grams of carbohydrates every 100 grams in the almond butter. We use 200 grams of almond butter, so the whole loaf of bread contains an amount of 38 carbo. So keep it in mind. Of course, I don't think you are going to eat the whole loaf of bread in one day, but keep it in mind because the sum makes the total. So what can you put on it? Butter, anchovies, or my hazelnut cream that I will, keto hazelnut cream, I will link it below. Or you can put some ham, whatever. Let me know what you put on it and if you like it. Yeah, that's it. Baking soda and the apple cider vinegar. Yeah, Is it necessary? Yes, you can see the before and after in those pictures that I'm showing you right now. So it definitely is needed because it makes the chemical reaction that makes the dough, how can I say, to bloat, yeah, the English verb does not come to my mind, but I think you understood. Yeah, it's definitely needed. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you liked it in the comments below. If you have any improvements, I would really appreciate your comments about it. And stay tuned for the next recipe. Will be another bread, but no sweet back taste this time. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video. I really appreciate your help. I would like to reach 1000 followers by the beginning of the new year, and I definitely need your help. Thanks a lot, and see you to the next recipe. Bye.